You to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches several development projects worth over 3,400 crore rupees in Surat. Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong admits state's revenue has declined. Three regional committees to hold meetings with stakeholders, traditional heads and ADCs, informs Deputy Chief Minister. And Meghalaya observes World Heart Day 2022. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that after the completion of the ambitious Dream City project, Surat City will emerge as one of the safest and most convenient diamond trading hubs in the world. The Prime Minister was addressing a gathering after inaugurating and laying the foundation stone for multiple developmental works worth more than 3,400 crore rupees in Surat today. Modi said Surat's textile and diamond industries provide livelihood to people across the country. The Prime Minister said under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, about 4 crore poor patients got free medical treatment in the country, of which over 32 lakh patients are from Gujarat and 1.25 lakh are from Surat. Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong has admitted that revenue generation of the state has come down. Speaking to reporters, Tinsong said the generation of revenue has come down because the state has to do transportation of coal, which has been declared and confirmed by the Deputy Commissioner, and even the auction process is not being done by the state government but by the Coal India Limited. He said the government has to strictly follow as per the MMDR Act for starting legal mining in the state. He, however, informed that a number of people have already applied for mining leases and the process is on, and soon the government will be able to issue the final mining lease to those leases, but it should be according to the law. It may be mentioned that the Comptroller and Auditor General CAG test check of records of one unit relating to the Mining and Geology Department during 2019-20 has revealed non-realization, short realization of revenue and other irregularities involving 113.80 crore rupees in 6 cases.
Right now what we have to do is transportation of only those coal which was declared, which was already confirmed by the Supreme Court. Then now again, even auction process done not by the state government, it is done by Coal India. That's why now we have to strictly follow as per the MMDR Act. As per the Act we have to follow. And then quite a number of them, they already applied for the mining lease. And the process is on. I'm sure very soon we will be able to issue the final mining lease to those leasee.
The 3 regional committees constituted by the state government will soon meet all stakeholders, including traditional heads and autonomous district councils, ADCs, before conducting a joint inspection to the remaining 6 areas of difference. Informing this, Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong said that soon after Puja holidays, the regional committees will start sitting. First will be with the members and work out as to when should they invite the direct stakeholders, be it headmen or AIMs or be it ADCs, since they are part of the committees. Following the ground inspections will be done. Tinsong said one cannot just say the regional committees will be able to complete the exercise within 45 days because when they are sittings with the stakeholders, it may be taken more than 5 meetings.
First, members of this regional committee will sit down, will walk out. When should we invite? When should we call the direct stakeholders, be it the headman, be it the SAIM, be it the district council, because district council also, they are part of the committee. So all these stages we will take along. Then ultimately, once that is done, we will go again to the ground.
The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer NPCDCS East Khasi Hills Shillong, in collaboration with the Office of the Commandant SF-10 MEGHALAYA, observe World Heart Day 2022 today at a program held at the SF-10 MPRO building, Golf Links, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Director of Health Services Dr. R. Lingdor informed that it is the health officials and the law enforcing agencies who always work under great pressure and are vulnerable to heart disease, and the idea to organize such awareness program among the elite force such as the SF-10 is indeed very important. She further informed that we all must know about our heart. Otherwise, it's too late when people come to hospital and doctors can't do anything. The health department is working under a certain target, and the target is to provide every person the universal health care facility.
Glad myself and the team from the state to be part with the district team, where Dr. Robert and the team of district NPCDCS who has arranged this function here in this unit, yes, you are all the unit having all the police personnel who's really having the highest dedication on your work and having the highest discipline, and really for maintaining all that, there's a stress added to it.
The Central Puja Committee or CPC began this year's Durga Puja festival with a get-together for harmony and an all-faith prayer for peace and harmony at Kenchestra's Puja Mandap on Wednesday. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the get-together for harmony along with leaders of various political parties and organizations. In his address, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that there can be no better message of harmony than when leaders of all religions come together. There is victory of good over evil, where there will be strengthened the bond of peace and brotherhood among our communities.
Round of applause for both of them, please. Very, very unique. And I think at that time,
we all know religion plays a very, very vital and important role in our society. And when religious leaders come together, and especially take up issues that are very important and key to society, it makes a huge difference on how we tackle the issue and how we resolve the issue. And hence I strongly recommend that not just at the state central level, but even at the district levels, different regional levels, there should be an effort to bring in this peace and harmony by institutionalizing these kind of systems.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today unveiled the bust of late Laimkra legislator Peter G. Marbanyang at Laimkra Point. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that this occasion has a powerful message to the future generation, reminding the people about his contributions and also reminding about the values that he had stood for. It may be mentioned that late Peter G. Marbanyang was a member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly between 1972 to 1989. He also represented the Shillong Lok Sabha constituency from 1989 to 1996 in the Lok Sabha. Among the children of Marbanyang who were present on the occasion include East Shillong MLA Amprin Lingdor and SP of West Khasi Hills Herbert G. Lingdor.
And today with the unveiling of the bust, it's not just about the bust. We have to remember that great people, they may leave us and go away, but their ideas, their vision, their legacy will always remain.
The Central Bureau of Information and Broadcasting Regional Office, MT Region Shillong, in collaboration with Pro Bono Associate Club, Department of Law, Nehu, Shillong, today organized the photo exhibition cum outreach activity on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 8 years Seva Sushan and Karib Kalyan at Nehu Community Hall. Nehu Vice Chancellor Professor V.S. Shukla graced the occasion as the chief guest. The two-day program will also feature debate competition on the topic the role of youth in changing governance in Northeast India besides patriotic song competition. The weather report: the maximum temperature was recorded at 24.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 73%, while in the evening it had risen to 91%. Rainfall was recorded at 2.9 millimeter. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches several development projects worth over 3,400 crore rupees in Surat. Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong admits state's revenue has declined. 3 regional committees to hold meetings with stakeholders, traditional heads and ADCs, informs Deputy Chief Minister. And Meghalaya observes World Heart Day 2022. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.